Yes crew, we're back with another video and it's all about the planet Phat. As I said, I'm continuing my video series. As you guys have reached 50 likes on the original video about the planet Phat, was just a brief overview of me buying it, and you guys said you wanted to hear some sounds, so I decided to give you guys some sounds from the beat mode of it. Now the beat, this is well known for its beats, dating back to the hip-hop R&B swing days, and a lot of that is orientated around some of those early tunes. And I thought, you know, I'd run a sort of a little demo on it. It's a blinding bit of kit, as you know. Like, it's got unlimited variations as well in terms of banks. So yeah, there's lots of stuff you could do on it, man. Like, I just wanted to do a quick demo, show you it, and obviously say a big shout out to all the people that commented on the last video and smashed up the like button. Also, I want to say a massive shout out to everybody who commented in on the video. As you can see, guys, this thing here is quite nice looking. It's packed with sounds as well, man. You've got 4 banks of, I believe, four banks of about 128. Let me just double check that. Yeah, 4 banks of 127 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4 banks, 127 sounds. So there's quite a lot of sounds in there. Do the math, you check it out. A lot of the beats as well, it's got this little function when you put the beats on. There's this little variation sort of function where you can just change this part of the beats, change the sounds in the beat, and the beat will actually vary as well. So it kind of gives you an unlimited kind of pattern. So if you're worried about, say, you having the same patterns as everybody else, chances of that are quite slim with this machine, because there's lots of different variables you can tweak with if you want to you know, have your own unique thing. And not to mention all the drum kit sounds in there, based around the old R&B swing hip hop kind of days. You're going to get some unique sounds in there, man. Some real cool stuff. You guys commented down below in the last video, and I wanted to do a follow-up to it to say, yo, check out the sounds, big up. Big shout goes out to Dexterous Manipulator. Big shout to Eric Marquez. Big shout to Compound Audio Man like Daps. Shout to Ash Jackson. Shout to Ali Alex. Big up Vladimir, Mr. Anchovy, Adamski A, Aaron Braid. Shout to the Nesta. Shout to Nobcore. Shout to Richard Young. Shout to Mr. B, Chris E. Chang. Big up mate. Simon Bywater, John Tomorrow, Hertz. Also Extra Spice Mikey for making the comments on the last video. So guys, it's above 50, so I've had to upload the next one. So like I said, smash that like button if you want to see more. Peace out.